Hi, Alex. Good morning. It is nice to see you here today. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Sophia. My weekend was very nice and relaxing. I had time to rest and do a few useful things.
That sounds good. My weekend was nice too, but it was a little busy. I did many small things at home and outside.
Busy weekends can still feel good. What did you do on Saturday morning? Did you wake up early or sleep late?
On Saturday, I woke up at about 8 o'clock. That is late for me, so I felt very happy. I stayed in bed for a few more minutes and listened to soft music.
That sounds peaceful. I woke up early because I wanted to go for a walk. The weather was cool and the streets were very quiet.
A quiet morning walk sounds lovely. Did you go alone or did you meet a friend? I usually like walking with someone.
I went alone this time and I enjoyed it. I walked in the park near my apartment. I saw families, runners, and people with dogs.
I love parks in the morning too. After I got up, I made a simple breakfast. I had toast, eggs, and a cup of hot coffee.
That is a great breakfast. I made oatmeal with banana and honey. It was simple, but it gave me energy for the day.
After breakfast, I cleaned my room and washed some clothes. It was not very exciting, but I like a clean space. When my room is tidy, I feel calm.
I understand that feeling very well. I also did some chores at home on Saturday. I cleaned the kitchen and organized a shelf in my living room.
Sometimes small chores take more time than we expect. After that, I went to a supermarket near my house. I needed fruit, milk, bread, and a few things for dinner.
I went shopping too, but later in the afternoon. I bought vegetables, chicken, rice, and coffee beans. I like buying food for the week on the weekend.
Yes, that is very practical. At the supermarket, I met one of my friends by surprise. We talked for a few minutes and decided to have lunch together.
That was a nice surprise. Where did you go for lunch? Did you eat something special? I agree completely. A weekend should help us rest and feel ready again. A little fun and a little peace are a perfect mix.
Do you already have plans for next weekend? I am thinking about visiting a museum or maybe going to a farmer's market. I want to do something different.
Both ideas sound great. Next weekend, I may go hiking if the weather is good. If not, I might stay in town and try a new restaurant.
Hiking sounds fun, especially with fresh air and nature. I do not hike often, but I enjoy easy trails. Maybe I should try it sometime.
You should, especially if you go with a friend. It does not need to be difficult. A simple walk in nature can feel refreshing and peaceful.
That is true. Thank you, Alex. I like talking with you because your English is clear and easy to follow. I learn many useful words from our conversations.
You are very kind, Sophia. Your English is also very good, and you speak with confidence. I enjoy our conversations too.
That makes me happy. Talking about real life is very helpful for practice. Weekend topics are easy, useful, and natural for daily conversation.
Exactly. People often ask about weekends, so it is a very practical topic. It is a great way to start a friendly conversation.
I am glad we met this morning. Now I feel more awake and ready for the day. A good conversation can really change my mood.
I feel the same way. It was a pleasure talking with you here. I hope your Monday is smooth, happy, and not too busy.
Thank you, Alex. I hope you have a wonderful day too. Maybe next time we can talk about plans for holidays or travel.
That sounds like a great idea. I would love to talk about that next time. See you soon, Sophia.
See you soon, Alex. Take care on your way to work, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Sophia. You too. And have a great week ahead. Goodbye for now.